Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Zuri Interior. So today we are just doing something short and brief because I've missed you all. There's a project underway, but while we wait for it, I'm going to unpack this wooden spoon set. It's random. I actually remembered about it when I was in the process of cooking, but we'll do this anyway. So this is my wooden cook stick, and I sell them as well. So in case you need them, please place your order at the comment section. So it's a 5 set. I'll definitely need to clean it first before we start using it. But it has this container, it has perforations. I don't know if you can see that it's perforated down here. So when the spoons are wet, there's still some ventilation and those holes release water. So we have this holder, and then we have these 4 spoons which have holes. Can you see this? They have holes, so you can either put them in this container or you can hang them. So there's this which looks like more of a mwiko. Then we have this, it's not perforated, but it's kinda a different shape. This is more regular than this. I guess this is for stew. Then we have these 2 which have perforations. I think they are suitable for cooking spoons, stew and the likes. As we go by, we'll get to know the different uses because I'll be showing you as I use them. So I've just unpacked my new wooden set, because what I've been using is kinda a bit old. Let me just show you. This is what I've been using. It's not so old, but it's kinda old. The other one, I'm using it right now, but they're quite old, so I needed to change them. And with unpacking, getting a new spot for them in the kitchen, I don't know whether, I think I'll put them on this side. Come with me. I think they'll stay here. In the meantime, this is subject to change because maybe with time I'll get a different place to put them. So guys, let me know what you think about the wooden spoon set, and let me know what you use in your homes, and let's interact at the comment section. Thank you for joining us. This is Zuri Interior and Decor. Don't forget to splash your space with some good pieces. Thank you.